Hey guys, you're welcome back to Julia Beauty and Style, the channel for gorgeous, beautiful styles, braids, and also I do product review, hair product review, skin review. Yes, check out my playlist. You're definitely gonna see video that you love. So now today is about braids. So let's see what I got for you. So this ginger red, I like this ginger red. I like this braids color. I think it's gonna fit on my, you can see my braids. It's supposed to be white, but the color changed. You know, when you start washing your hair, it's gonna be fading a bit. Yeah, so that is where it is now. Okay, I think this is twist. Looking more like twist, and she kind of like coiled the tip of the braid. This looks good. Like you all know, I think there's this trend now where braids at the back, they kind of add the color at the back, and while the front is a different color entirely, but it's the majority of the color. So I think it's gonna trend. Summer is here, so let's see. Yeah, so this is another Cornrow Braids, the love shape at the front. So guys, let me not talk too much, so let's watch this video together. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video. Remember, it's for educational purpose. The video is not ending now. Let's keep watching.